We are pleased to show you the 2020 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.